Our focus of today's discussion will be on noun phrase. We all know that a phrase is either a word or combination of words that do not give us complete meaning. Now, a noun phrase, understanding and identification of a noun phrase in a sentence depends on two things. The first one is that whenever we have a head word as a noun in a phrase, so that entire phrase will take the name of the head word, a noun phrase. Now, if it's not easy for you to identify whether the head word is a noun or something else, then you can do one more thing. You have to replace that phrase with either who or what. If it can be replaceable by who or what, so this gives us indication that yeah, this is a noun phrase. Now let's understand it through the help of examples. Here I am saying dogs bark. Now dogs is a noun, bark is a verb. So we have had a discussion that a sentence is made up of one noun phrase and one verb phrase. So here the head word is noun on its own and the other one is a verb on its own. But the focus is on noun phrase. So we can say that dogs here is a noun phrase. Now let's apply the second idea on this example. If I replace the dog with who barks or who bark, so dogs bark. I can replace this dogs with who, so that is what makes it a noun phrase. The second example is enthusiastic learners are following me. Now here enthusiastic learners, here learners is a main word or a head word and it is a noun. So the first criteria is fulfilled that this entire phrase is a noun phrase. But if you want to apply the second idea on it, now I can replace it again with who are following me. So enthusiastic learners. So if you are enthusiastic learners or if you want to learn grammar more, make sure to follow. The next example is my history book is on the table. Now here book is a noun and it is the head word. And I can also replace this entire phrase with what? What is on the table? So again, the answer would be my history book is on the table. So my history book here is a noun phrase. To summarize this entire discussion, to identify a noun phrase, make sure to keep two things in mind. When the head word is a noun, it's a noun phrase. And if it's difficult for you to identify the head word, then you can replace the entire phrase with either who or what. And if you come up with this question, the answer would be a noun phrase as we applied all these points on the given examples. So stay tuned and we'll be discussing verb phrase in the coming lecture. Thank you so much.